Hi guys, this is Jude Travel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm doing another reaction. This time I'm going to react another video of BGYO performing a song entitled Patintero. So this is a live performance at the Playroom. So excited na ako nito guys because live performance ito ng BGYO. Hello Aces! So before proceed to my reaction, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like buttons, click the notification bell in case I have a new video uploaded so that you'll be notified. So without any delay, let's proceed to this reaction. Always support BGYO ever since. So check natin. The Playroom. Patintero, BGYO. Matagal na pala itong performance video na to kasi ano pa hindi pa bland yung buhok ni Nikki. Tignan mo, live na live talaga silang kumanta. Bakit marami talaga silang basher na nagsasabi mga walang talent. Ang ganda ng song nito sa ito yung song nila sa yung music video nila na nanalo sila sa Brazil. Magaling din sila mag-harmonize sa okay. Tingnan mo, boses talaga nila, live na live talaga silang kumanta. Ganda ng pakinggan ng boses nila pag nag-harmonize na sila. Galing din ni JL mag-sit voice Oh, Patintero. Boses ni Nikki. Linaw na linaw talaga ang boses nila. Ang ganda ng pakinggan nila guys kasi ito yung ito yung bakit gusto ko yung BGYO kasi kumakanta talaga sila ng live niya. Come to think na some of these members hindi sila born as a singer, so para ang sarap na nila pakinggan, ang ganda nila panoorin, plus face card pa naman ang gwapo nila. So, hindi ko alam guys kung bakit ang dami pa rin nilang basher na nagsasabing nagli-lip-sync, hindi maganda yung boses. Kapatating pakinggan nyo naman yung nila, mga live performance nila. Hindi naman sila pangit kumanta. So, yun lang. Sana i-support din natin BGYO. Ang sarap pakinggan nila pag sila lahat ng kumanta. Ang ganda pa naman ang music video nila nito. Colorful na colorful pa lang. Fiesta ang dating ba? Bato ni Nature. Marunong naman siya kumanta talaga. Hindi ba yung boses ni Nikki ang baba ba? Charming na charming talaga si Akis . So there you go guys, my reaction to the performance or live performance video of BGYO at the Playroom. So yung kanta nila Patintero. So I hope you like and enjoy this video. If you have any suggestion or any recommendation for me to react, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Until next time, bye for now.